Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we are making a cozy comfort meal, garlic pork bites with a gravy that is seriously to die for. Start by dicing about half of a large bell pepper. I love color in my dishes, so I am using red and yellow, but feel free to use your favorite or what you have on hand. Next, dice half of an onion. Then dice 3 button mushrooms. Lastly, mince 3 cloves of garlic. I have found that smashing them before cutting them saves some time. Season your pork well on both sides. I am using salt, parsley, and pepper, but feel free to use your favorite seasonings here. Add about a tablespoon of oil to the pan, and once it heats up and thins out, move it around to coat the bottom. Add the garlic first and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add in all the vegetables we chopped. Season again lightly with salt and pepper. Stir everything so it is coated well with that oil and seasoning. Sauté this for 5 minutes, stirring throughout. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from today. Now that the veggies have cooked for 5 minutes, take them out and set aside. Add your pork to the same pan and add a couple of small slices of butter. Cook for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. After flipping, add in another couple of slices of butter. This is a thick pork loin that I butterflied so it cooks more evenly and browns on the outside without the middle being underdone. Once the pork is finished, take it out and let it rest for a couple of minutes before cutting it into bite-sized chunks. To this same pan, not washing it, add your veggies back in and add a tablespoon of flour. You will want to stir this really well so there are no chunks of flour and to get all of the flavoring of the pork also mixed in. To this, you will add half a cup of chicken stock and half a cup of whole milk or heavy cream. I am using whole milk today. Cook this for 7 minutes. You will see it start to thicken and turn into one of the best gravies you have ever had. While that is starting to cook down, cut your pork and add it back in. And that is it. So comforting, so delicious, and even better because we only used one pan. Less cleanup always feels like a win. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, share it with a friend who loves easy, tasty recipes too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.